You're the one not using all those cool Twitch features that I'm about to tell you about. What's up, everybody? It's Cassie Joy here, and today I'm going to tell you 5 features directly on Twitch that you are probably not using, but should be. I'm starting this video really high energetic. It's really not that exciting. Coming in at number 5, and I think most people know this exists, but have never really looked into it in depth, and that's your analytics. If you've been streaming for long enough, you may want to look on how to grow your community, what's the best time to stream, where you can monetize better, what to show sponsors, etc. The Twitch analytics has come a long way in the last couple years. Going from basically showing nothing but our concurrent viewer count and how much we're earning to what is now this information of wealth that is the stream summary tab in your channel analytics. In the stream summary tab, you can see things very like specific peak time, where people are coming from to get to your channel. And then in the channel analytics tab, gives an even bigger breakdown for your revenue, for the time period you set, which defaults to 28 days, but you can make it a whole month, as well as what other streamers your audience is watching, and to get a good sense of who you can collab with, or your top clips, which you can then post on your other social media channels to hopefully get more traction coming to your channel, and even what other games your viewers are watching, which I think is really cool. So you can think about if you're wanting to branch out, or you're like, man, what do I play next on this off day where the game I want to play is down? You can look at your channel your channel analytics, and instantly you're like, man, my viewers really enjoy VR chat. Maybe I should go play some VR chat today. The channel analytics is super underrated. A lot of people don't realize how powerful this thing is, and you should check them more from time to time. Don't obsess over them though. That's a thing that this could be a whole other video in itself. But a lot of smaller streamers in particular obsess over their analytics and pot calling kettle black, but you need to not. You can look at them occasionally and be like, I didn't do so well this month. But until you're like trying to pitch to sponsors with hundreds of viewers, try not to stress about it so much. Number 4 is polls. This may seem like a small feature that doesn't really belong in this list, but Twitch polls are actually really cool and directly accessible from your dashboard. Click the plus button in your quick actions and scroll down till you see manage polls. Add that to your quick actions and then click the poll button. You can create new polls from here. If you've ran a poll before, you'll have to you can look at your results of your previous one. Once you click new poll, you can see all the options before you. One of the coolest parts about polls is you can allow your viewers to vote with bits. And most recently, you can now use channel points. Now, whether or not you want to use the bits part is up to you. That's an ethics thing on what you believe is you should charge your viewers for. But regardless, with channel points and bits, it's a really cool and fun way to engage with your community, increase revenue if you like, and just let viewers have a direct impact on your stream. So this is one that I, as someone who has a very inconsistent stream schedule, have even found super useful. The schedules tab. This is relatively new on Twitch. This is part of the new channel design overall. Before, we had schedules and they were integrated into things like Streamlab or Streamlab Elements schedule extension that you could put in a panel below. Now they're directly integrated onto Twitch. You can set the time and days on which you plan on being live. You can even label them in your calendar. If you're going to be playing a specific game or there's an event that you're going to be covering, you can put that in the details of the scheduler and it will let your viewers know. If you're not live or you missed a stream, viewers can go to your channel and click a button to be notified the next time they go live. You could even say you canceled a stream on a certain day if you go to the scheduler, and it will notify the people who have notifications on that you canceled a stream. If you're going to be taking an extended break, like going on a vacation, taking the weekend off or something, there's even a really cool vacation mode that will allow viewers who come to your page while you're offline and notify them that you're taking a couple days off and you'll be back on whatever date you specify. Every broadcaster should be using this tool. I know that setting a schedule is a very hard thing to do, especially if you're just starting out or trying to do this for leisure. But if you're trying to grow, being consistent is the #1 way to grow your Twitch channel besides being on other platforms. And having this neat little tool, I find, helps enforce myself that I'm like, well, I told people I'm going to be live on this day. It says so on the calendar. I should stream. Number 2, this one's more for affiliates, but partners might find this info useful as well. If you're at least affiliated on Twitch, you get access to bits. Most people know that you get up to 5 tier 1 emotes, 1 tier 2 emote, and 1 tier 3 emote. Did you know that you have access to more than that, probably? Head over to your affiliate tab in your dashboard, go down to bit tiers rewards, and you can click on any bit badge you want, and even give it its own custom badge, which is really cool. Badges are available to be modified once someone has reached that badge in your community. Once someone reaches that tier, it actually unlocks a new emote slot that you can fill to celebrate those that give you bits. You can actually see this in the UI by the locks going down the emote column of the ones that have opened locks. Any tier of bit rewards past 1,000 bits has an emote. These emotes are permanently unlocked for anybody who's reached that badge tier in your chat. It's really cool to give back to the people that donate bits to you, and it gets you a couple extra emote slots. I don't know about you guys, but I love my emotes, and I want to be able to use more of them on Twitch. So this is really cool for me. Thank you for everybody that donates bits, but this is for me. And coming in at number 1, this is a feature that not a lot of people use yet, and it's because it's very new. But mod view. I'm gonna say it again. Mod view. You can get to it by going to your own channel and clicking the sword icon next to the cogwheel in chat. If you've never used mod view before, there's probably a big old teal banner that says try mod view on it. As you can see, this is pretty similar to your streamer dashboard, but there's a lot of features here that aren't in the streamer dashboard that I hope one day will be integrated. But for now, mod view is a really great way to manage your stream. It's got things that I wish were standard in the creator dashboard, like the mod actions panel and the auto mod queue. The mod action panel is like, why isn't this in my dashboard? Twitch, why? Why? You can even easily get to your channel points queue. If I missed the feature that you think is important, be sure to leave a comment below. I'd love to do more of these. Hey, these are cool features on X website for you guys. Maybe I'll do one for YouTube soon. That's it for today, guys. Thank you everybody for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to click that like and subscribe button below. It really helps me out a lot. Consider checking out my merch store and or my kit.co. Both linked down in the video description if you want to use the gear I'm using or get some cool Cassie Joy merch. Maybe check out one of my other videos, like my NDI walkthrough that I did a couple weeks ago. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.